friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the top 7 timetable preparation tips for board exams. Friends, are you tired of feeling stressed during the exam season? And do you find yourself scrambling to fit in last minute studying? Well, don't worry, because we have the solution for you. In this video, we are going to show you step by step how to create a study timetable specifically tailored for exams and become a topper. Friends, the first step is assess your schedule. Take a look at your class schedule, extracurricular activities, and any other commitments which you may have. Make a list of all the times during which you are available to study. Friends, the step number 2 is prioritize your subjects. Make a list of all the subjects which you need to study and rank them in order of importance. This will help you to allocate your study time more effectively. Friends, the next step is break down your study sessions. Once you have your subjects prioritized, then it's time to break down your study sessions. Decide how much time you want to spend on each subject and divide your available study time accordingly. Friends, the next step is create a daily study schedule. With your study sessions broken down, you can now create a daily study schedule. Use a calendar or a planner to schedule your study sessions for each day of the week. Friends, the fifth step is make a to-do list. Creating a to-do list for each study session can help you to stay on track and ensure that you cover all the necessary material. Make sure to cross off the items as you complete them. This will give you a sense of accomplishment. Friends, the next step is take breaks and reward yourself. Schedule short breaks throughout your study sessions and reward yourself for sticking to your schedule. It could be a small snack, your favorite TV show, social media for some time, or talking to your friends. And friends, the step number 7 is adjust as necessary. Although you should try to stick to your created study schedule, but if something isn't working, don't be afraid to adjust it. Always be flexible and willing to change your study schedule as necessary. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on the top 7 timetable preparation tips for board exams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.